The DJI Matrice 4D series and the Dock 3 can be important tools for anyone working in the inspection field. We're going to talk all about it. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, David here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're continuing our video series on the DJI Matrice 4D. You should go check those videos out. We're also talking about the Dock 3 in a lot of those videos. And today we wanted to talk specifically about how the Matrice 4D can help in the world of inspections. So whether you own your own inspection business or you work for somebody, you work for a big company that does inspections, these drones have the ability to change everything. Now, when I say inspections, that sort of is a broad range. More specifically, you're talking about roof inspections, bridge inspections, solar field inspections, wind turbines, utility inspections, construction, oil and gas, even crop inspections. These drones have really made an impact already. And let's talk about why drones are actually being used. One is going to be safety. So you've got these wind turbines, it's your job, or you've been hired to do an inspection of wind turbines. So instead of sending somebody up that gigantic pole to the top of that wind turbine, you're able to get a lot of information just using a drone like the Matrice 4D series. They have a huge zoom range on the color camera of 112 times. They've got laser rangefinders, they can do mapping. They've got features like point of interest, so you can pick the spot that you want to circle, and the Matrice 4D series will automatically just continue to circle that area. You can control the camera however you want. That is going to be critical for inspections. And you can do it all without putting anyone in danger. And think of something like insurance. If you're not sending somebody up on a roof for a roof inspection, you're just using a drone to do it, your insurance rates could actually come down because there's a less likelihood that someone is going to fall off that roof. Now, these drones are actually going to save you a lot of time. Imagine manually inspecting like thousands of solar panels in a field somewhere. Now you can do that with a drone. With the Matrice 4TD, it's got a thermal sensor on it. These inspectors will be able to get the drone up in the air and identify problems right on the spot. One of our clients is a crop inspection company, so they go out and they assess damage. If there's hail or something like a tornado has gone through, they go out, they check it out. But instead of a guy walking through a bumpy field and rolling his ankle or something like that, you can identify where the damaged crops are, and you're saving time and you're saving money. And drones are the answer. If you're trying to do things quicker, more efficiently, you're gonna wanna use a drone like the DJI Matrice 4D series. And you know what they say, time is money. And in this case, the drones are gonna save you some cash. So with something like a bridge inspection, you're gonna wanna be able to see the entire bridge. So not only can you fly under the bridge, the Matrice 4D series can look really high up. Some of the older drones, you couldn't tilt very high, so it would be hard to do a bridge inspection. But with the Matrice 4D series, you can look close to straight up. And on the other side, you're gonna wanna get an aerial view of the actual bridge. And instead of using an airplane or a helicopter or something like that, you're using a drone. That's gonna save you a ton of money because helicopters and planes are expensive. And if you own your own inspection business, you know that the quicker you can get a job done, that means you're gonna be able to do more jobs. We also gotta talk about these drones getting to hard to reach places. So if you're inspecting, say, a construction site, you're able to navigate with the drone, you're able to see everything, and you are able to monitor it on a day-to-day basis. Instead of daily having to stumble around machinery and wood piles and metal and everything else that goes along with the construction site, you're gonna be able to get it all done with the Matrice 4D series. But let's talk about some of the other features. I mentioned the thermal on the Matrice 4TD. I mentioned the huge zoom range. You can use Smart Track to track an object or to track a person. Really cool technology. Again, the laser rangefinder, you can pick a spot and it's gonna tell you the longitude of exactly where you're pointing. It's gonna tell you the distance from the drone, and that can be really, really useful for an inspection. We've also got object identification. So you can point at something and it's gonna show you how many people, how many cars are in a certain area. Both drones have a night scene mode. So if for some reason you're required to do an inspection at night, the night scene mode really is gonna light up the situation. You're gonna be able to do your inspection, and that is on both the 4D and the 4TD. But on the 4TD, you have a near infrared spotlight. Now this spotlight is invisible to the naked eye, but you'll be able to see it through the color camera when you're in night scene mode. You'll be able to see that spotlight where you can't see it with the naked eye. There are obstacle avoidance sensors all the way around these drones. They're gonna tell you if you are getting close to something. It's gonna alert you on your remote. It's gonna beep. It's gonna start flashing at you, telling you that you are close to something. With the thermal sensor, you can do something called isotherm. So you can draw a little box on the screen. It is gonna tell you the hottest and the coldest point in that box. That can be really useful for like roof inspection when you're trying to see if there is warm air or cold air escaping from a house. And continuing with the obstacle avoidance, if you really want to kick it up a notch and you want to make sure your drone is not going to hit anything, you can buy a special object sensing module, which uses LiDAR to make your flights even safer. You can also add a spotlight or a speaker onto these drones. You can actually use them together. But again, if you are inspecting something at night, the spotlight can be really useful. Oh, and did I mention that these drones also happen to be IP55 rated? That means they're going to be able to fly in rain, in snow, in high heat up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, all the way down to negative 22 degrees Fahrenheit. So these drones really can take a beating when it comes to the environment. And if you're flying somewhere where the weather can be challenging, which is a lot of places around the country, these drones are going to take care of that problem for you. Now, I mentioned that you can use the Matrice 4D series with the Dock 3, but you don't need the Dock 3. You can actually buy this separately. You can get the remote, extra batteries, the accessories that you want to get, and you can fly the drones just like you would any other drone. So to make a long story short, drones for inspection work is a fantastic idea. If you are on the edge and you're not sure if this is something that's going to work for you, if you don't know if you want to make the investment, I hope I've given you enough information for you to make your decision. Because manual inspections can be costly, they can be dangerous. There are all sorts of reasons to use a drone for your inspection business. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. We appreciate you stopping by, and we will see you next time.